Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through all of the kits that I'm going to be using in September in 2 of my planners. I use 4 total, but these 2 use sticker kits. So I've got stickers for my plum paper vertical priorities in A5 size, and then I've got these Sadie's sticker 7x9 planner, which is what these kits are for. So let's jump right into it, and I'm going to start with the plum paper kits. By the way, all of the shops are linked down below if you want to check them out. So this is Harvest from Sadie's Stickers. I got 3 sheets to use. That's what I've kind of found works with her kits. So this is the first page, which is just called Harvest, and it's got several different functional things and some deco. Then I've got this floral sheet and this boxes sheet. So I'll probably add in a little bit of washi or something because I don't have very much like longer strips, but this will totally work for my plum paper. Then I've got this journaling kit from Jessica Hart's. She just recently started using journaling kits, and I love this. This is going to be really fun to work with. It's a little bit different from the previous journaling kit that I used from her, so that's going to be fun to kind of push myself. I really like these washi strips and the addition of the full boxes. It's going to be fun to play with. So I've got lots of deco to work with, not very many functional things, but I've always got my leftovers that I can pull from, and this looks really cute. Then I've got this kit from Lexi Kylie Designs called Sweet Autumn. It is so beautiful. I love the purples in it. It's very different from the other kits that I'm using this month, and it's just so beautiful. I love the florals with the pumpkins. We're kind of getting into fall kits, and this is just super beautiful, and her kit format works so well for me. So really excited to work with that kit. And this last one is from Saucy Stickers Co. called Autumn Picnic. This is beautiful. Another shop that I love their journaling kit format. It's so pretty. In fact, I need to go to her shop. I think she did new releases recently, and I need to pick up a couple more things. These are just so pretty. I love the deco. I love the functional pieces. There's just so much to work with, and really excited to work with this kit as well. Now let's go to my sticker kits for my memory planner. So this is the monthly from Jessica Hart's called Pumpkin Chai. It's super pretty. I added on the foiled sheets in gold. Super beautiful. I love that quote. So pretty. This is the matte paper that she offers. Really pretty, good saturation. Really like this. So beautiful. I love the mauves in this, mixed with the oranges. Sidebar sticker. Some full boxes, some vacation strips. I just love this monthly. It's going to be so pretty. Then I've got this kit from Caress Press called Stormy. The color palette in this one really drew me in. Plus the art is just gorgeous. So we've got an extra box here. I don't know if I'll use it because I've got so much to work with here. These are the full boxes. So pretty. I just love the colors in this. Perfect for fall. It hasn't quite cooled down where I live yet, but in September we usually take that turn. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. Gorgeous deco as well. So that is Stormy from Caress Press. Then I've got Change from Sadie's Stickers. This one's a little bit softer, and I just kind of wanted to mix it up. I always like a lot of variety. So this one has some pretty rose gold foiling on it. Here's the full box page. Tons of boxes to work with. This page has some headers and some functional bits. And then the bottom washi is so pretty. Her foiling is just always gorgeous. Love that. That is Change by Sadie Stickers. Then for the 4th week, I have this one from Caress Press called Theater. My sister and I are going to see Guys and Dolls, and it's going to be really fun. And I thought this would be perfect to throw in. I bought this a couple of months ago, and I just grabbed it because I knew I would use it sometime. And now I'll be able to. So we've got this pretty palette with the full boxes. I really like the blue in this. Color palette is gorgeous. So pretty. Fun extra box. Beautiful bottom washi. And then the deco is really cute too. Super cute. All right, that is Theater by Caress Press. And lastly, we have Stardust by Saucy Stickers Co. I used a version of this kit a couple years ago, and she like changed up the palette and the foil color, and it's so pretty. So I have used this art before, but it's definitely a change with the colors and the foil. So pretty. Got some date covers and some functional things down here. Lots of boxes. I love that. The bottom washi is so pretty. I think I'm going to have to use these headers because that's so gorgeous. I love this so much. And that is it for this month. I know this was a quick video, but you got to see all of my kits. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I will see you next time. Bye!